Go. Hello, Mr. Ryan, are you right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we talk about the
Oh, yeah.
geometric
Geometric. Geometric.
progression today. Okay. So
No,
what does it mean? It means that
Geometric.
let's say
Oh,
we
yeah.
give a simple example. 2, 1,
2,
2,
1, 2
4, 8, 16, 32, 64.
times 2 to each one. 128, 256.
You add it all together.
1024, 2036.
That's-
2000 and
55, yeah? This is standard.
no,
So-
56. 256.
Adding 1, it's a odd number. How come it's even? Right? So it's
I thought
250.
you said that 1 plus
okay.
2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 5 plus
Okay, so geometric progression is like the first number is A, and the second number is A times Q, the third number is A times Q to the power of 2, yeah? Take some Q
and then
times-
8 on 2 cubic.
yeah. So, okay, so if you write this 2, and then that will be 3,
Ooh, yeah.
A times Q 4, etc. Q not equals to 0, and Q not equals to 1, right? Right? Make sense? If Q equals 1, then all the numbers will be A, right? If Q is 0, it doesn't make quite sense, right? So the first number
Because
is A.
it'll be 0. And
Yeah, all of
A,
them.
what? It'll be A 0 0 0
Wait, no,
0
wait.
0
Okay.
0 0.
Okay, so these A numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A numbers added up to 255. One good way to visualize it is to put this number into binary. So the binary, this is 1, this is 1 0, this is 1 0 0, this is 1 0 0 0, yeah, etc. So if you add it together, that will be what? 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Yeah, this in binary is what? Is 1 followed by 8 zeros. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and minus 1, right? So this number, alright, this number,
Yeah.
2 to the power of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 minus 1. This number, 256 minus 1 equals 255. Okay, this is the number. Yeah, got it? Okay, that's how we get it. But if it's another geometric progression.
Geometric.
Okay, how do you pronounce this one?
Geometric.
Geometric. Okay, how do you
It's not
pronounce?
geometric. It's geometric.
Geometric. Okay. For example, like 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. You add it up together, what's the answer?
Let me think. 363.
Wow, that was quick. 363? Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, let's check. Okay. But before that, I want to we want to learn how to calculate this. Yeah, look. This A, what's the A in here in this series?
3.
3, which is A equals 3.
Oh, yeah.
What's the Q? Q equals what?
Sorry.
3. Yeah, it's 3, not sorry. 3.
3.
Q. What's Q? Q is A
Sorry.
N divided by M. Yeah. Yeah. This is previous. Yeah. Okay. This means that the subsequent number 9 divided by 3 is 3. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 243 divided by 81. What's the answer?
The one.
What? 3. Come on. I was just checking if you're listening or not.
Divided by 3.
So the next number divided by previous number is always Q. Okay, that's what it says. Okay, now.
7 is a cube and 81 is a.
Yeah. Okay, now, okay, so we want to know. Okay, so basically, look, if we have this A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 till AN, we want to know the sum, yeah? The sum, Sn, equals sum of AI, where I equals 1 to n, right? So we want to sum it. We want to sum all the numbers, yeah? So how do we get it? Sn equals this, right? So Sn equals So Sn equals this, right? Then I can times Q, because Q is not 0. So I can times Q to both sides. So what does it become? Q times Sn equals Q times A1 plus Q times A2 plus Q times A3 plus Q times An. Okay? Yeah? What's Q times A1?
Q times A1 is
What?
A1.
Huh?
A2.
A2. Okay, Q times A1 is A2, yeah? Okay, Q times A2 equals what?
A3.
Yeah. Okay, Q times A1. Okay, and okay. Q times An equals what?
A1 plus
1.
1e.
Yeah, okay. Okay, you got it, yeah?
Yeah.
So if I have Sn, okay, look. So look.
Yeah.
Sn. Okay, so these two are equal, right? So if I subtract these from Sn, so Sn minus Q times Sn equals Sn minus this thing, yeah? So Sn minus this thing, A2 plus A3 plus A4, here the An plus what? Actually this here
Oh
is
yeah, but
okay?
yeah.
There are 1 Sn minus QSn. How many Sn are left? Common terms Sn. So that's 1 here. So what? 2a minus 3a equals what? How many a's?
Minus 1a.
Yeah. So 1 Sn subtract QSn. How many Sn? 1 minus Q. Yeah. Subtract common term. Okay. Here, this is the tricky part. Sn equals a1 plus, yeah, Sn is here, yeah? Yeah, I want to take away, look, right? Look, I want to take away these a2, a3, a4, a part here, an plus 1 from here. So what's left? You get it? Sn is this big.
Yeah.
Sn is this big. I want to take away a2, a3, a4, here, an plus 1 from Sn. So what are the common terms here? What are the common terms?
A.
A, so? Yeah, A2, A3, A4, yeah? Yeah?
A2 until
An. But A1 is left, right?
And An plus 1.
So it's A1 minus An plus 1, right? Yeah? Okay, so what's Sn? Sn equals A1 minus An plus 1 divided by 1 minus Q. Right? What's An plus 1? An plus 1 equals A times Q n. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Makes sense. Look. A2 equals A times Q1. Yeah? A3 equals A times Q2. Right? So An plus 1 equals A times Q. Right? Make Qn. Right? So that equals what? A times A1 minus A1 times Qn divided by 1 minus Q. If I extract the common terms, equals A 1 minus Qn divided by 1 minus Q. Okay, so that's the equation, this bit. Okay, so let's come back to that question. Yeah, what was that question? What's that? 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus 81 plus 243, yeah? Yeah? Your answer is what? 300?
363.
363, okay? I'm not sure, okay? Let's check this. What's A? 3, yeah? So 3 times 1 minus, what's Q? What's Q?
9 is 3.
3. 9 divided by 3 is 3.
3.
3 to the power of how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the power of 5. Divided by 1 minus 3. Okay? So what's this answer? So it's, look, this is negative minus 2, right? Minus 2. So 3 to the power of 5 is bigger than 1. So I can just reverse the sign. So it's 3 to the power of 5 minus 1, right? What's 3 to the power of 5? How many 3? 5. What's this? What's this number?
243.
243, okay? 243 minus 1. 242, right? Divided by 2. 121 times 3. 363. Okay? Yeah? Well done. Okay, so how about the first one? 1 plus 2 plus 3. Let's give another plus 4. Plus 128, okay? Let's use this equation again. Let's use this equation. A, what's A? 1. 1 times 1 minus, what's
Why
Q?
did you rub out the minus and minus 2?
That's a very good question. Because look, 1 minus Qn, actually, if I look 1 minus Q to the power, because Q to the power of n is bigger, right? This is negative, this is negative. Yeah? So if I reverse the to this bit, it will be Q minus 1, and then it's the same thing, yeah? Q minus n to the power n. This is the same, yeah? Got it? Yeah? 2 over 3. I put a minus sign, it's the same, right? If this is equal, right? Yeah, okay. So look, A is 1. A is 1, right? A is 1. Where are we? A is 1. Q is 2, right? 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 to the
Why
power
is
of...
next to the 4 a bit black?
Sorry?
Why is it scrubbed?
Which one?
Next to that 4 is dirty. I thought you were going to use wipes.
That's okay. 2 to the power of A minus 1 divided by 2, right? What's this answer? It can't be divided. Okay, so what's the... Okay.
Okie dokie.
Why this is not right? This is not right. What's Q? 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus A plus 16 till 128. How many are they? How many terms are there? There are 8, right? Okay, so why this is not right? Okay, Q minus 1. Q, what's Q? Q is 2, right? A is 1. Q is 2. Q is 2. Q is 2. Okay, Q is 2. 2 minus 1. A1 is 1. A1 is 1. How many terms are there? Q to the power of n. Q is 2 to the power of A minus 1. Okay. Okay. 2 to the power of A is what? 256? Yeah? Oh yeah, 256. Okay, this is minus 1, okay, that's why. 2 to the power of A, 256 minus 1, 255, yeah, divided by 1, okay. I forgot the minus 1, that's why it's like, yeah, 2 minus 1, okay. Got it? Okay, so, okay, you got it, okay. I'm going to write the equation here, and then you need to tell me the sum, okay?
Sum!
I write down the equation, you don't even have to remember it, but you need to know how you get it. So Sn equals A1, yeah, Qn minus 1, Q minus 1, okay? Okay, I'm going to write another series, okay? Number series. Geometric progression. Okay, so let's say 5 plus 5 plus 10.
20.
No, that would be too easy. 15 plus 45 plus, what's next?
135. Yeah.
Plus, what's next? Times 3. What's that?
405.
405, okay. Okay, what's this one? What's the sum? Use this.
A1.
What's A1 is what?
55.
5. What's Q?
3.
3. What's N? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1 divided by what's Q?
3.
3 minus 1. Okay, this is the answer, okay? Let's confirm. 2. That's 2. 5. Times 3 to the power of 5. How many 3s? 3.
405.
No. 3 times to the power of 5. How many 3?
243. 243.
Yeah, minus 1, okay? So that was
242.
232 divided by 2, 121 times 5. 605, yeah? Yeah? Okay, let's add the number together to see if it's 605. Okay? If it's 605, then we're done. 20. 65. 200. 605. Okay? Okay? Yeah? That's mathematics today. Okay? Yeah, but if we look, yeah. Wait. Look, to come back to coding, okay, it'll be easier. I'll quickly write it. You know, to calculate this, we just need 3 parameters, A, Q, N, yeah? And
Yeah.
define, let's say sum. Okay, so we just create A1, Q, N, right? Yeah?
Yes.
So S equals 0 for I in range N, right?
N.
S plus equal what? A1 times what? Yeah, times I times Q, right? It is simple as that because the first term is A1. A1 plus I times Q, right? Because A1 plus I is 0 at the first time, so it be A1. And we can S. Do you get it? Look,
Yeah.
I is from 0 to n minus 1. So we're adding A1, and the second one, I will be 1. A1 plus Q. Is it? No. No. It's not. It's we are adding A1 plus A1 times Q plus A1 times Q2. Okay. So it's not. Look. This is A1 times Q0, right? Q1. So it's A1 times Q to the power of I, right? To the power of I. How do we say to the power of I? Q to the power of I. We can do this double star, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
In Python, how do we calculate? How do
Why
we?
do you need to do double?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. In Python.
Times I.
In Python, a to the power of b, you can write it 3 ways. You can say a times b in Python, okay? Or you can use this power function, math for power, a, b, okay? Makes sense? Look, alright.
Yeah.
So look, a1
Q
times
to
q.
the power of I.
Yeah, because look, the first term is a1 times q0. What's q0? Q to the power of 0.
Zero.
No. 2 to the power of 0 is what? 3 to the power of 0 equals what? 1. Any power. A to the power of 0 equals 1. A not equal to 0, okay? When A is not 0, anything to the power of 0 is 1. 100 to the power of 0 equals what?
1.
2000 to the power of 0 equals 1.
1.
Every to the power of 0 is 1.
1.
To the power of 0. Wait. 0 to the power of 0.
0.
No, when I said A is not
One.
equal, because in mathematics, it's invalid.
Yeah.
There is no such thing as 0 to the power of 0. It's not defined. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it for today. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.